Well, it's been a long time coming. Hawkeye is slowly closing in on being 100% complete. And we're going to go ahead and finish it tonight. So I just got it back from my decal guy. And he did the arrows on the side. I might take like the front 3 off. I like this back here. But he spaced them out in the front to, I don't know. But I don't like this one, and this one. I think these were okay. But I think the ones, he kind of understood what I wanted him to do. But then I think he kind of changed it up a little bit by spacing them out. So not too bad. And then the sponsons, they turned out gorgeous. Now the only reason why we didn't do everything in gold like this small gold leaf, was because he didn't have enough. He didn't have enough to do it. So he had the same in the silver, which is kind of cool. Gives a little bit of contrast. But I had to do it to where he could take it apart at his shop. And I have yet to glue in these retainers. And I have yet to drill my carbon fiber rods. So I recently went to Harbor Freight during Black Friday and I bought a drill press and I bought a bandsaw. So we're going to take this outside with the pieces and we're going to pop this in the drill press and drill us some holes. Go ahead and drill it with this first. I've got my little locking vise here. We're going to lock this in the vise and not bend anything and get that X right on the mark and go ahead and drill this puppy. Looks good. All right. All right, now we're going to rotate it and do the other side, and then we're going to repeat the process, I guess 8 times. All right, well, there you are. Got the holes drilled. Straight through, looks beautiful. Followed the instructions to a T. That's one thing I like about this rigger, man. The instructions tell you exactly what to do. Even when it comes down to something as simple as drilling a hole through a piece of carbon fiber boom tube. Good to go. All right, well, I got the rigger inside, all put together. Okay, got the bolts on, and I just finished moving my servo linkage here, and I got to mount this. And what I was doing, I just had this battery hooked up, and I was trying to set like the throttle limit. And you know, you hold it, you let it beep, you do this whole thing, you let off, beep, 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 and I went to give it throttle, it spun. And I might have spun it for maybe 3 seconds, and then smoke started coming out of the flycolor 180. So I don't really know why, but it's not acting right. So I'm kind of concerned about that. I may have to contact OSE and see if maybe there's an issue with it. Don't know. This is the first time I've actually fired it up and tried to run it, and I literally got smoke come out of the back of it, and I can smell it right here. So I don't know. I really don't know. But I'm going to go ahead, at this point now, I'm going to go ahead and pull the ESC out, look at the back of it, and see if something is noticeable. So we got the clear coating all taken off, the heat shrink, and we'll look at the board. Nothing, absolutely nothing stands out to me. I mean, the FETs look good. Everything looks good. Even if we take this and fold this back and we kind of like look underneath at the capacitor, that looks okay too. I just don't get it. I don't know what was smoking. Let's see if it'll focus in on that. I mean, I'm talking about like you just took a hit of a vape and blew it out. That's how much smoke I'm talking about. It definitely came from here and not here. So I'm going to try it with that motor again, and then if it doesn't spin it, then I'll try another motor. I don't know. It's weird. Okay, I'm going to try the Gens Ace pack because I don't want to use any of my SMC batteries. Let's go ahead and we'll do this together. I don't have my stand. Sorry, guys. Okay. So we've got a little blinky light. I don't know if it's supposed to be blinking red or green, but I know my Kraken 120 blinks red. All right, let's try. Let me zoom y'all out until we get a full perspective of this. To the left. Yep. Steering is correct. Okay, let's try throttle now. Nothing. See, watch. Oh, the motor tried to do something. Okay, that may be the motor then. Okay. You heard it trying to spin? All right. We're going to get a different motor. I'm going to unplug it. All right, so this is going to be test number 2. We're going to try a TP motor this time. We're good there. Let's go ahead and pull this in a way we can see it. So if something does happen, we can address the problem quickly. All right, let's try it. Nothing that way. Nothing that way. What? Oh. Oh, look. Oh. Smoking. Something bad on this from the get-go. Okay. All right. We got it on camera. That's all I needed. I'm going to contact OSC. It's got to be bad. Damn. Well, that kind of sucks. But, you know, brand new. Never even fired it up. First time I fired it up was right now. Trying to get the rudder straight and make sure the motor was spinning in the right direction. Didn't even get that far. Okay. Now I know it's not the motor. Now I know it is the ESC. So, what a bummer. What a bummer. Okay. Well, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Kind of sucks, but it's practically done. So I'm at a loss until I can replace that, you know, with another 180. God, I'm so frustrated. But okay, well, good, bad, or ugly. Y'all are going to see it. We'll see y'all later.